Personal protective equipment (APD) is a tool needed to protect from potential physical agent of or health problems of a person. There are four types of personal protective equipment that must be worn while in the laboratory, namely hand protection, face protection, body protection, laboratory coat, and foot protection.
Personal protective equipment used in the laboratory: 1. Gloves. 2. Face mask. 3. Laboratory coats. 4. Safety shoes. 1. Laboratory coats serves to protect themselves in order to avoid exposure or splash of chemical. For that, it's not recommended to use short sleeves.
2. Head protection equipment serves to protect the head and impact, sleepiness, for or hit sharp object or hard object that float or glide in the air. Exposed to heat radiation, fire, splashes of smash-up, bodies or microorganisms, and extreme temperatures, and maintain the cleanliness of the head and hair. 3. Eye and face protection. A. Mask prevents splashing or bodily fluids of the patient to the face of the officer so as to prevent it from entering the mouth or nose of the health worker.
B. Flashlight use when there is potential for exposure to chemical, flying objects, and UV rays on the face. C. Safety glass in the minimum protect from the eyes when working in the laboratory from flying objects. D. Safety goggles used to protect the eyes from vapor, splashes, mist, or spray from harmful chemicals that attack the eyes.
Ear protection equipment function to protect hearing devices against noise or pressure. This type of ear protection consists of earplugs and earplugs. This APD is recommended to the used if your place of work has a noise level above normal, namely a noise level that reaches above 85 discharges or more. Will the APD this must be used when the noise level has reached 19 discharge. Protective equipment and equipment. Air purifying respiratory. This type uses the habit the desolation of smoke and canister filter which can absorb contaminants in the air. The filter type varies depending on the type of gas and is given a different color according to the gas absorption ability. White acid gas. White Chinese acid gas with green strip. White coloring gas with a yellow strip. Black organic vapor. Green ammonia gas. Blue carbon monoxide gas. Acid gas and yellow organic vapor. Acid gas and organic vapor and bronze ammonia.
B. Respiratory supply of air or oxygen. Work in space with low oxygen content such as confined space and heavy pollution, such as the presence of apical gas, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, or chemical application, carbon monoxide, hydrogen cyanide, and ammonia at high concentration. 6. Hand protective equipment. I. Cloth gloves. used to hold oily objects and other metal machine parts. B. Asbestos gloves to protect hands against burning fire. C. Leather gloves to protect leather from sharp corners in casting work.
D. Rubber gloves serve to guard the hands from the danger of acid burning. Rubber gloves are also used to protect the skin damage of the hands due to air blowing when cleaning parts of the machine using a compressor. 7. Foot protection equipment serve to protect the feet that are hit by heavy objects, hurt or collide with heavy objects, punch to sharp objects, exposed to hot or cool liquids, hot steam, exposed to extreme temperatures, exposed to harmful smells and bodies. Sleep